Hello dreamers, welcome back to my next video. Today we are going to make mushroom fry. For that I had taken small pieces of mushroom and I'm going to add corn flour, chili powder, turmeric powder and some salt and mix all together. So I'm going to add little water to make it a thick paste. So as you can see, I have made it into a paste. And now I'm going to deep fry all of them. So the oil is hot and I'm going to put the mushroom one by one and fry it until it becomes golden brown. So the oil should be hot, that is important. So when the mushroom is golden brown, you can take them out. So after frying those, in another pan, I have added onion, green chili and spring onions and I have salt. So after I sauteed that, I will be adding the mushroom and some chili flakes, some salt and mix it well. So the devil is ready.